clothes, treasures untold. How many t-shirts can one closet hold? Looking around here, you'd think, sure, she's got everything. Buddy, I got Walmart and Target aplenty. Ross and thrift store galore. Don't know where I got them? I got 20 million. But who cares? No big deal. Cause I want more. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't want any more. I'm good. About to take you inside. Are you ready? Because this is just the surface. Like, it goes so far back you won't even be able to see. For real though, I am gonna take you through. It might take another 45 minutes to get through this madness back here, but don't worry, I'll show you. I will show you what we got. Y'all ready for this? Okay, so we've got, let's see, these dress shoes. We've got, okay, a gun, don't mess with me. Let's see, we've got, back here, we got all of Dee's Marine stuff. We've got Dee's clothes, Dee's clothes. Oh look, my little 50s, 60s outfit. I'm gonna wear that one day. Yeah, pretty much just a whole bunch of t-shirts. Dee's clothes mixed in all throughout. My unmentionables that way. And got some jeans thrown in here. We got some, yep, that's about all. Look at all those shoes. None, hardly any. That's all I've got. Okay guys, so that is my closet tour. I know it's a little overwhelming there, you know. Just had so much to go through it. I'm sorry it took, you know, a minute and a half of your time up here. I'm sweating to death. It's like late at night and I'm just, it's hot in here.
It's hot in, so hot in her.
Okay you guys, so that is the end of this video and it was like totally different from what I normally do. I just felt like being a little silly tonight. I've been seeing so many people's closet tours going around and I was like, let me give you one of my own. Be jelly, be jelly. I just thought it was stupid, a little funny, a little stupid. That is pretty much the extent of my closet tour. So hope that you enjoyed that bad boy right there and I'll see you in my next video. And yep, hope you have a great day and God bless.